Hi there from a chilly Melkbos strand. I'm Anton Crano from Craycom, your e-filing and easy-file technical specialist. I will be hosting a webinar on e-filing. This webinar will cover the basic navigation of the website. It will cover the first 5 main menu items, namely Home, User, Organization, and Customs. We will be doing a bit of a deep dive into each one of these menu items to see what functionality each of the menu items have and how to use them. I will cover some of the new changes to customs as well as the third-party data certificate search function. Specifically what is required in terms of setup on your e-filing portfolio in order for these functions to work. So be sure not to miss the next webinar. Looking forward to seeing you all.